Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up 11.55% right now. That's quite impressive. Today I didn't watch Tesla at all, so I'm gonna analyze it in real time with you guys for the first time today. Wow, this is an incredible movement. But first, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other tech stocks. Now let's see what's going on with Tesla. Since Thursday, I believe, we did a false breakout. We analyzed this movement correctly. We did a false breakout from this support level. However, we just bounced back up to the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. And then on Friday, I told you guys, well, we must break this EMA over here, which is working as a very nice resistance level for Tesla in the short term in order to fly again and retest the 700s, which was the previous resistance over here, an important key point, and the 21 EMA area in the daily chart as well. Well, we broke this EMA today. We did a breakaway gap. We broke it by doing a gap over here, so it is a breakaway gap. We retested the 700s in the 1 hour chart over here in the first hour today, but we broke this resistance. So Tesla is incredibly strong. I was expecting this bounce back up. Of course, I was not expecting such an intense movement, but this is a very good scenario now. Tesla is breaking the previous resistance. See the 700s over here, how this point worked as a resistance 1, 2 times and as a support 1, 2, 3 times over here. So clearly this point was a key point for us. Now that Tesla is breaking it, it is breaking the 21 EMA in the daily chart as well. And now the situation gets very, very complicated because the S&P is going up 2.50% right now. It is going up nicely, but the S&P is in bear market, okay? It is in a very strong bear market. We see nothing but lower highs, lower lows. We are below the 21 EMA, and the simple fact that the S&P is dropping more than 20% from the previous peak on January, it is indicating to us that it is a bear market indeed. Now, as far as I know, the S&P could bounce back up to its EMA just to resume the bear trend. And the same applies on the Nasdaq index as well. As far as I know, we could just bounce back up to the EMA before we do another top sign and drop all the way down again. That's a real possibility. We must keep this possibility in mind. Meaning, the Nasdaq could drop up to 3.4% over here easily before it could continue the bearish momentum. Now, why is this so complex for Tesla? Because Tesla is already breaking the EMA in the daily chart. It is breaking the EMA, which is usually an interesting indicator to follow. And technically speaking, Tesla has a resistance, the next resistance around $768. But considering that Tesla has on average a beta of 2 or 3 times the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq could go up roughly 3.5%, Tesla could easily go up more than 9%, roughly 10% over here. So it could seek the previous resistance. So I'm gonna change this resistance to that level over here because this makes more sense, technically speaking. So Tesla could go up all the way up here before it could drop again. But by doing this, Tesla will completely deny the bear trend. It's not going to be a bear trend anymore because we're more doing a sideways trend than anything else. So the bear trend will be totally denied. The problem is, this is not a bull trend yet. This wouldn't be a bull trend yet because as far as I know, all we should do is this, okay? We should retest the previous resistance and then we must drop, I don't know, to the EMA, to one of the Fibonacci's retracements over here to find a support level, to do a higher bottom than the previous bottom, and do a breakout of the 800s in order to do a higher high and a higher low. This is a bullish structure that we must see in Tesla in order to confirm a real strong reversal pattern on it. So far, Tesla is quite erratic. We are trying to reverse the trend, but indices are not reversing, so this is why it is a very complex situation, okay? This is why I always tell you guys, we must be careful, we must be cautious, okay? Now, if Tesla actually reverses, actually breaks the 800s, I think Tesla, just like the indices, will seek the EMA in the weekly chart, okay? At least, meaning the S&P has a long way to go, right? We should go up roughly 10% if this actually happens. The Nasdaq index could go up roughly, roughly 12, 13% easily if this scenario actually materializes. How this scenario will materialize, we must wait this week closure, okay? We must watch the weekly chart, and by Friday, if we see crystal clear bullish candlestick pattern, this could be the scenario we could work with in the next couple of weeks. Now, today is doing a very good candlestick pattern, okay? It is doing a harami candlestick pattern, a bullish harami, just at a support level over here. So this is good. But today is only the first day of the week. This week is shorter than usual thanks to yesterday's holiday. So the game is not over yet. Okay, we still have a few more days to work with. We still have to pay attention to some key details on the indices, on the S&P, on the Nasdaq, and on Tesla alike. But I agree with you that if the indices are about to go up 10% roughly, a movement in Tesla to its EMA, which is also around 13%, 12% over here, is a little bit too little for Tesla's volatility. So it could go even above the EMA in the weekly chart in this scenario. Again, we must wait for the week to close in order to see a crystal clear bullish candlestick pattern in the weekly chart. And this could avoid temporarily the bearish scenario I have been describing to you guys in Tesla since last Friday, I believe, because the market is clearly bearish, okay? Any bounce back up could be just an opportunity to short or to sell. But if Tesla actually materializes, and if the indices materialize this movement, this bullish pattern in the weekly chart, I think we're gonna be safe for the next couple of weeks at least. But it is still important to keep Tesla, to keep paying attention in Tesla's movement because we have many resistances, okay? We have, if we use Fibonacci over here, we have the EMA just at the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. We have the 50% retracement around $890 and the 61.8% around $954. All of these points are going to work as future resistances for us. And in order for Tesla to break all of these resistances, we must see a crystal clear bullish structure on it. Now, my personal opinion, Nathan, but what is your opinion? Because in the past couple of days, I have been just describing how Tesla is reacting. So I see some people around, oh, but what are you thinking? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What's your personal position on Tesla, Nathan? Well, personally speaking, I rather prefer to see a bullish scenario materializing over here. And honestly, I think that's what's going to happen next. I think the S&P is going to turn bullish in the next couple of weeks. This is not going to deny the bear trend over here in the weekly chart, but it's going to be a very nice relief. And it could give us a chance to reverse in the long term as well. Okay, to do a crystal clear bullish structure in the weekly chart. I think that this scenario is more plausible right now than a continuation of the bearish movement. And I know of Tesla retesting the next support level at 545 down here. This is a possibility indeed, but I tend to favor a bullish structure right now. I prefer to see one, and I think that's what's going to happen next. But right now I am just on the sideways. As a trader, I'm just on the sideways in Tesla. I'm not trading it right now because I'm waiting for better, more interesting structures and for the risk reward ratio become more attractive to me. Okay, so right now I think we should just keep our eyes open. If it drops to the 545, amazing. That's gonna be brilliant. That's gonna be one of the best opportunities to buy Tesla in the, I don't know, in this decade maybe, right? So I think if Tesla actually drops, that's gonna be an amazing, because guys, fundamentally speaking, I already told you this. Fundamentally speaking, Tesla is looking quite good. It is very, very attractive. And Tesla is extremely bullish in the long term. This is the monthly chart. I mean, this seems to be just a pullback to the EMA in the monthly chart before we could react again. So, in the long term speaking, I am bullish. And I tend to favor bullish structures. I tend to be more long in Tesla than short because it is an incredible company. I think it is crazy to short it right now, especially right now near support level. So, but I'm not confident enough to see a very nice, amazing bullish structure to buy Tesla. I think there are dozens of other stocks that are more interesting than Tesla today. So these are my personal opinions, okay? And remember, I'm just a guy, just a retail trader like everybody else over here, sharing my thoughts on the internet. Okay, so I will keep you guys updated every single day. Seriously, subscribe to this channel. Remember to subscribe, to click on the like button. Thank you very much for your support, my friends. See you tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.